equal sign.
Hey, what's up guys, Sam here. This is a little update video just to tell you guys I'm getting for Christmas I'm getting upgrades for my PC, but I'm going to be getting it a little before Christmas, but the videos with the new PC will go up after Christmas, maybe a fair amount after Christmas. But yeah, I'm getting a new processor. I'm getting an Intel i5. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the 3.2 gigahertz processor or the 3.4. The motherboard I'm getting is an Asus. Let me look what it's called. Anyways, while this video is going, I'm putting different pictures of snow and stuff that's going on in this area, because we actually got a lot of snow right now. So it's pretty good looking, the snow. It's beautiful looking. So you guys can look at that and some little videos and stuff of it. Okay, for motherboard I'm getting a Micro ATX. Wait, actually, it's an Asus H87M Plus, and it's really nice looking. It has steel plates on the back and stuff. It's really nice. The processor we were thinking of getting is the Intel Core i5 4670K. Has 3.4 gigahertz quad core processor. It's a nice processor. And we're gonna get, for RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM, the G-Skill Ripjaws X series, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 240 pin, and graphics card. We're probably gonna keep the same graphics card, and I'm probably not gonna upload for a couple days, only like 3 though, because he's gonna be putting the new parts in the computer, my dad's friend. And the episodes I'm gonna have that'll be with the new computer will be either 2 with Sam, all the ones after 8. I'm just gonna say, like, these are the ones, like, I've pre-recorded a lot of footage, so I'm gonna tell you the ones that I haven't recorded. So after that certain number, then it'll be with the new PC. So after either 2 with Sam 8 will be the new PC, either 2 Sam 9 through whatever. Dino D-Day when the regular series starts and not the sneak peek. Hide and Seek Sam after 12, and I'm not sure how long I'm going to continue the Hide and Seek series because it's getting a little bland. After number 6 for Jump Dream, episode 6. LeBron Mansion we finished. For Max's Minigames after Annihilation number 7. After Hide and Seek number 4. And after Sky Wars number 6. And for Mindvast Parkour after episode number 3. For TF2 after episode number 7. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a nice Christmas. I'm gonna upload a couple Christmas shorts, hopefully before Christmas or on Christmas, because that's when I'm getting my PC back. That's the first things I'm gonna be uploading, because I have some little Christmas shorts that I made and I like them. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I am. And thanks for watching. Bye.